Hello everyone. We'll directly move on to the questions. We are going to discuss a speaking test question of IELTS Cambridge Book 15, Test 3. Did you learn to swim when you were a child? My dad tried to uh, teach me swimming, but I was not able to excel in that. I can manage to swim for just 30 seconds, but now as I'm not doing any physical activities, I really find it difficult to swim even for 30 seconds. So my dad really tried to teach me swimming, but I was not able to learn it properly. How often do you go swimming now? Nowadays, I'm not going because of the pandemic. I have stopped going out. But when before this pandemic came, I take my daughter. I used to take my daughter downstairs to the swimming pool because I wanted to get to her used to the swimming pool because I want her to learn swimming. So for that, I used to take her to the swimming pool. I do not mostly once or twice in a month, not very often. What places are there for swimming where you live? We have a swimming pool in the same apartment. We have it downstairs. It's common for two blocks, block A and block B, and we have another building with the same management group, so we can make use of that swimming pool also. But it's better to use a swimming pool here itself. It's very spacious and it's very safe also. So only there I used to go swimming. We did not go in when we go home to our place. We have a canal nearby our home, but here we use the swimming pool that's available in our flat apartment. Do you think it would be more enjoyable to go swimming outdoors or an indoor pool? In terms of safety, I prefer indoor pool, but if you know to swim very well, it's better to go swim outdoors. But still, there is difficulty in swimming freshwater against the current of the water, and there is also there is a vast difference in both the water swimming in water with current and stagnant water, which is in a indoor pool. So I prefer to enjoy. It's definitely indoor pool is best. But if you want it more adventurous, we can make use of an outdoor swimming pool, which is a natural swimming pool like a pond or a river or a canal. Describe a famous business person that you know about. You should say who this person is, what kind of business this person is involved in, what you know about this business person, and explain what you think of this business person. If you ask me about business person, the first person who comes to mind is Advani. Uh, as I have heard about him, he is a very talented business person. He knows to retain the business, and he also has built a great empire of his own business. He started very in a very low vegetable business. He was a vegetable vendor and he expanded his business in, I think it's vegetable oil. I'm not sure. But his business was he started his business in a very basic way, but then he expanded in all the fields that's available. Now his companies are available both in India and all over the world. And he's trying to expand it further. He has not stopped working to improve his business empire. He even after being listed in the top 10 billionaires list, he keeps working to go to the position one. That struggling and that hard work is all that matters. That's what we have to learn from him. He runs all kinds of businesses now. He has a petroleum company, and he is also into telecommunication. He also sponsors cricket, sports. He runs all kinds of businesses. Maybe he will be running. I think he's going to. He also might have some airline industry also. I'm not sure about, but most of the time he is considered as the king of the business empire. That's what I know about him, and. I think he's really a legend in business because coming from the from basically being a normal person to becoming a business billionaire is not a very small thing. He might have put a great amount of hard work. He worked in petrol pumps, and that's not really a good no, what to say, that's not really a small thing to disregard when we say about him. He's really a legend. I would say he's a legend in business. And the small entrepreneurs who are trying to advance in and enhance their businesses should learn from him the business tactics and the strategies that he used in his business to enhance to develop his business and to expand his business to all over the all over the world. I would say he would be a great role model for whoever who try to become a great entrepreneur and who are trying to start a company. He will be a great role model for people like them. Discussion topics. Famous people today. What kinds of people are most famous in your country today? In our country, business people all are more famous, but when it comes to celebrities, they are the most famous people. The film actors, and they are the most famous people according to my perception. Because when a political leader come to a place, the crowd is not so much. But when a film actor comes to a small village or a small town, the fans swam around the place. There is a huge crowd to welcome him and huge crowd to see him. So if it's a heroine, and definitely there will be a lot more crowd than normal. So according to me, I think the celebrity, the film stars are the most famous in our country. Why are there so many stories about famous people in the news? Some celebrities become famous, try to become famous creating a story of their own, and they themselves make publicity of themselves. They try to create news, so they are known to many people. So that's why when even when they do a normal thing, it become a news. If you consider the election that happened now, Ilayya Thalapathy, if you know Vijay, and Tamil actor, he he just ride a bicycle to go to the polling booth to cast his vote. Maybe it's because it was nearby, or maybe he wanted to put a thought that the prices of petrol and diesel are skyrocketing. Whatever be the reason, he just rode on a bicycle to go to the polling booth to cast his vote. It became a news. It's a news on that day. So things that small things, even the small things that famous people do, or really, it has a greater impact in the people. So it becomes a news automatically. Do you agree or disagree that many young people today want to be famous? Almost all the young people today are trying to do one thing or the other to become famous. And when TikTok came, most of the young people got involved in that, and they try to be most if you I know a few TikTok celebrities. And nowadays even my sister has started a YouTube channel, because not to be famous, because they find it as an secondary income for her. She's a working employee, but she wanted to be one YouTuber just because to express her opinion on something and to showcase her talents. And sometimes she wanted to get more views just to earn money, a secondary income for her. So I agree that many young people today want to be famous. Advantages of being famous. Do you think it is easy for famous people to earn a lot of money? It is not very easy, because satisfying the people's expectations is the main thing that the famous people does. Because if they do not satisfy, I'm talking in terms of film stars, if they do not satisfy what their fans expect, and they cannot their films won't be having a huge success, so that they won't be able to earn a lot of money. So it's not easy for them. They have to work hard, and to be a film star they have to keep their body, and they have to maintain a great posture, and they have to keep their face fresh like a young person, even if they are 65 or 70 years old. And it's not easy for them. They have to work towards keeping themselves very young. They should look very young, and they should not react to they cannot react to normal situations like normal people. Even if they want to go to a beach, they have to look for all the situations. If they cannot simply go there and spend their time, because people will crowd them. They will, or they will gather around, so they have to think of all these things. So it's not very easy for famous people to earn a lot of money. Why might famous people enjoy having fans? Famous people, it's what having fans is just like having getting a recognition for their hard work, I would say. Because when their hard work is recognized by the people, the person who himself claims as a fan is formed. Because uh, normally, one, if you do not like a person, or if you do not satisfy the expectations of the people, he cannot have so many fans. So they enjoy having fans because that is the appreciation they get the recognition they get for their hard work that they have put in a movie, or their if it is a business field, if he do not treat his customers and his employees well, and if in that way he did not have any fans, he cannot be very famous for a long time. So having fans is really a good thing, because when the fans are uh, the fans expectations are satisfied by the famous people, they can enjoy the benefit of the privilege of having more fans. So they enjoyed it. In what ways could famous people use their influence to do good things in the world? Whatever the famous people do has an impact on the community. So when famous people does a good thing, it really influence the people whom follow him or her in a good way. So when a film star, for example, when a film star does a charity work, even the fan who follows the film star, or who is a big fan of the film star, will be trying to do a charity work in his or her own capability, which may not be very big. But when everyone try to do something good to someone, really it will be a great change to the whole country or whole world. When everyone does is influenced by a person and everyone does good things to others, it's definitely going to change the country in a good way. So famous people, they can help others. That's one of the thing. And they can create some educational institutions and give free education for kids who cannot afford to um, pay high amount of fees to education. So things like this can be a good way to influence to do good things in the world. And that's all. I have tried my level best to answer all the questions in my capability, but I'm not very sure. This will not help you in any way, but I think I'm just trying my level best to answer the questions in the way I can. I'm just trying to improve myself, as I always say. So if you also want to try, yes, try answering these questions. You can answer in your way. And if you have any suggestions for me to improve further, as I said, this channel, I'm just maintaining this channel just to see my improvement throughout, how I'm improving my communication level. I'm trying to answer these questions because this is the way I wanted the improvement now. So I'm just trying to answer this question so that I can improve. I can be more confident when I answer questions in a particular interview, or when I answer someone who is asking me a particular question. So I'm trying to answer these questions. So that's all for now, and have a good day. Thank you.